Namaskaram. A very, very, very warm welcome. Now I invite our guests lamp lighting చేసి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని లాంఛనంగా ప్రారంభించాల్సిందిగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాను. మనం ఈ రోజు సీత యాప్ ని ఆవిష్కరించుకోబోతున్నాం. సీత, షీ ఈజ్ ది హీరో ఆల్వేస్.
ఆపరేషన్ సింధూర్, జై హింద్, జై భారత్.
ఉమెన్ ఆఫ్ పవర్, ఉమెన్ ఆఫ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ స్వాతి నేల పట్ల అద్భుతమైనటువంటి ఆలోచన ఈరోజు ఆవిష్కారం కాబోతోంది.
So we are going to do an integrated and immersive digital app launch.
Our endeavor today is, as a chairperson, to encourage women to be in the workforce, sit at the table and really have those hard-hitting conversations.
Congratulations Swati Nelabatla garu for such a beautiful initiative. Ee talent ni inka wide ga share cheskune avakasam idi ee app dwara. Kudos to you Swati Nelabatla garu. Seriously, you have really made a difference and a smart choice. Hard work to part of smart work antar kada. This is something like that.
Swati, you have done an excellent job. We always believe in giving a job to women is always giving a job to the whole household, and not only for empowering ourselves but empowering other women surrounding us is the key factor, and that is all about Sri Jobs and Sweta app. And congratulations to you Swati.
They had been working so long for this day, and I would like to congratulate first of all and wish you all the best for Sita app. I'm sure it's going to be a blockbuster success.
Sita, she is the hero always, and I would like to mention here to every woman, you know, you're all people who are not waiting for the future. I can see you're all shaping it right now. You are not just the future, but you are the present. You are not just the power, you are the heartbeat of the nation today. And let us build a Telangana where no woman has to choose between her duties and a dream. And I wish this app should be successful in times to come.
She Jobs, we started to bring women who have career gaps for various reasons back to work. This is a platform to list your skills and products and your passion as a service so that you can generate more leads and become financially independent.